Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the numerous software tools out there and you're wondering which of these tools can actually streamline your work for you? Today, I'm going to be breaking down top 5 essential tools that you need as a software engineer to work better, collaborate better, and make coding more fun and interesting. Coding doesn't actually have to be boring. Hello everyone, I am Jite, a software engineer and a fitness enthusiast, and on this channel I share tips on tech, career, and lifestyle. So the first two on my list is version control, which is the Git and the GitHub or GitLab. What does Git actually do for you? Git helps you keep track of changes you make on your code, and GitHub allows you share your code with others, because you can be working with a team or working in an organization where you're not the only one working on that project and you need other people to work on that project. This is where GitHub comes in play. You get me? You are into coding and you don't make use of GitHub or Git. Are you even a software engineer? Of course not. Yeah, so I use it every day and it makes my work very, very easy and seamless. Makes me work better. So the second tool on my list is your code editor. As a software engineer, this is a very, very essential tool to get started actually. And these tools are we have VS Code, we have IntelliJ, we have Sublime too. Yeah, these three tools are actually, personally, I've made use of these three tools and I ventured and settled for Visual Studio Code because it's like the best. Yes, preferably to me, it's the best. And with statistics, it is the most used code editor by software engineers all over the world. Why is this code editor the best? I would simply just say because it is very, very flexible. It is easy to use. Yes, it is easy to use. It's beginner friendly. It doesn't have much technical, many tactics to use it. Yeah, and also there are built-in extensions that you can use in your VS Code. I mean, things like it can use auto completion. It can even help in debugging your code, honestly, because that is a big issue, a big problem with all developers around the world. VS Code can help you in debugging your code. So the third tool on my list today is containerization, and this tool is called Docker. Have you ever run into a situation whereby your application works on your machine, but it doesn't work the way you expect it to work in another machine? The solution to this problem is Docker. It has been saving lives since, like, I personally use it for deploying my applications so that I can get everything I want in my application, work the way I want it, and then it can work across all other environments just the same way. If you know you do not use Docker for deploying your applications, I tell you this for a fact, try to start using it. It is a lifesaver. When you start using Docker for your applications, you will not go back to the manual setup again. Honestly, Docker is a good tool when you want consistency from development to production stage. The fourth tool on my list today is project management tool. This tool is not only used by software engineers. I mean, it's used by all other sectors or area of tech in the tech industry. It is a very, very, very important tool because it helps you stay organized, helps you track progress of your work actually. So some of these tools, some of these project management tools that I have personally made use of are Trello. We have Trello, we have Jira, and Jira is my best project management tool. I've worked in an organization where Trello was a tool that was used as the project management tool, and I had to adjust to it because honestly, they can't change their projects to because of you now. No, you have no choice. You have to just adapt, and they are not hard to learn. Just pick up a course or two, and you learn how to use these tools very, very easy. So Jira too, I like how organized Jira is. You can check it out. It has the section where your to-do tasks are listed, when you start working on the task and they show in progress. And when you're done with that particular task, you can move your tasks to done. I like how organized it is. It also even helps project managers just keep track of the engineers working on their job. It helps keep track record of their job. Whether you're working solo or you're working with a team or you're working in an organization or you're a freelancer, a project management tool is very essential and vital. It makes you visualize your progress and it keeps like record and track record of your work. So the last tool on my list today is the command line tool, which is Bash and Z Shell, pronounced as Z Shell. It is Z SH was pronounced as Z. This command line tool is mostly underrated, but it is very, very important. It is very, very important actually. If you like smart work, if you like shortcuts like me, because me, I like shortcuts. I don't like things that will stress me when I know that there's a shorter way to get it done. Yeah, that's working smart. So command line tool is very, very important. Mastering it, it will take your coding game from year to year, I bet you, because it allows you just interact with your machines or with your system faster and quickly changing directories, switch to different projects that you want. It is very, very essential. Very, very essential. It's a very essential tool because me, I like using it to manage my projects. I like using it to change directories. I like using it to just do much faster jobs. If you start using it, you will see the way it's going to speed up your work very fast. So to quickly recap, we've talked about 5 essential tools every software engineer needs, which is a version control, Git and GitHub. We talked about your code editor, your VS Code, Sublime, or IntelliJ, whichever one you are comfortable using. We talked about your containerization, which is Docker. We talked about the various project management tools, and we also talked about the last tool, which was the command line tool, which is the bash or Z shell. I hope you are finding this tool very, very helpful. And if you know that there's any tool that you want to be on, that is supposed to be on this list, just drop it in the comment section. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel to get more content like this.